Has AI ever generated a video that looks nothing like what you had in mind? Aren't you tired of leaving everything to chance? What you're seeing right now is the magic of start frame and end frame. A technique that lets you grab the reins and decide exactly where your video begins and exactly where it ends. No more random results. You're the director now. This method has completely changed AI filmmaking, and for travel videos, commercials, weddings, and even YouTube vlogs, it's a total game changer.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
In this technique, we only need two key images, the start frame and the end frame. In this case study, the first image is where we're still on the ground. The second image is our destination, right between the skyscrapers, exactly where the movement needs to finish. Once these 2 points are clearly defined, the path is no longer random. The AI's only job is to build the distance between them, and you're not limited to this case study. This is a universal formula. Any transition between two locations or two different states can be designed using this exact logic. And if you don't already have these two images, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to easily extract them, even from your own regular videos. First, open your favorite editing software. It doesn't matter if it's DaVinci, CapCut, or Final Cut. I'm using Premiere Pro. We create a new project, choose a name, set the save location, and click Create. Now we import the video we want to enhance with an aerial shot into Premiere. With a simple drag and drop, I place it on the timeline so the sequence automatically matches the video's resolution and frame rate. Next, I move the playhead, the CTI, along the timeline until I hit that golden moment, the exact frame where our flight should begin. Once I find it, I click the camera icon, Export Frame. I give it a name, set the format to JPEG, choose the save location, and hit OK. Just like that, our first frame is ready. Now let's move on to the exciting part, preparing the aerial shot. First, choose your desired location. This is completely up to you. It could be your own city skyline or a famous tourist destination across the world. To get this image, you have two great options. The first and simplest method is searching on Google Images. For example, I search for an aerial view of Hong Kong and pick the one that looks the coolest to me. But here's a golden tip. To make sure your destination image has high quality, run it through any upscaling tool you like. Better Image, IMG2 Go, Let's Enhance, I Love IMG, or any other tool you prefer. Definitely upscale it so the quality and details multiply. As you can see, the upscaling process is very simple. Just upload your image. Choose between 2K or 4K, click Upscale, and then download the enhanced version. But if you want something more professional and fully customized, let's go with option 2, generating the image with AI. I'm using Leonardo, which gives us 150 free credits daily. I enter the prompt. Aerial view of Hong Kong. Inside Leonardo, from the image models, I set lucid realism. I change the aspect ratio to 16:9. The image size is set to large, and the number of images is set to 1. I hit generate, and boom, our custom image is ready. Look at this result. It's stunning and packed with incredible detail. Now it's time to execute the technique. We head straight to Kling AI and quickly log in with one of the Google accounts already signed in on the browser. The best part is that right at the start, it gives us 166 completely free credits to create videos. From the left menu, I go to the video generation section. First, I set the video model. Video 2.5 Turbo is a solid choice. I make sure the image to video tab is active. Then I click on Start Frame and upload our first image, the character walking down the street. Most people stop right here. They upload the first image and wait to see what the AI randomly creates. but we're doing this professionally. After confirming the preview, I click on End Frames and upload the aerial drone shot. It doesn't matter which AI video generator you use, Kling, Luma, or Runway. This method is a standard and works across platforms. The key point is that with these 2 frames, you're locking in the camera path. Now I paste the prompt I've prepared for you, which you can find in the description of this video, into the prompt box. This prompt instructs the AI to move us cinematically from point A to point B. If you'd like, you can enable or disable sound effects. With these settings in place, I click Generate. After a short processing time, the video is ready. Let's see how our engineering worked out. This output is no longer random. We defined where it starts and where it ends. Without spending thousands on expensive drones, we now have a cinematic animation that travels from ground to sky exactly the way we designed it. That's control. So what do you think? Let's push this even further. How about continuing the camera movement from that aerial shot and transitioning into a completely new location, where the same character is waiting for us with a different style and pose? To extend the cinematic camera movement, I go back to the image to video section and click Start Frame again. But this time, I reverse the order. First, I upload the aerial shot as our new starting point. Then I click End Frames and select the new image of the characters in a different location with a new pose. Now it's time for the magic of words. I paste the second prompt from the description so the AI understands it needs to dive smoothly and cinematically from that city skyline down into our new scene. I click Generate, wait for the quick processing, and boom, the video is ready. Let's watch this crazy FPV style move together. And remember, this tutorial isn't about drones. It's about controlling the path between any 2 points you choose. Now we move to the final boss, editing in Premiere Pro. In the project panel, I double-click and import both generated videos. I drag the first one onto the timeline so the sequence matches the correct dimensions and frame rate. Then I place the second video right after the first to complete our flight chain. Look at the result. It's truly impressive. Once we're happy with the arrangement, it's time to export. I click Export, choose a file name, set the save location, select H.264 as the format, and set the preset to Full HD. That's it, I hit export, and after a few moments, our animation is ready. In this example, the drone movement was just one scenario, and only one use case of start and end frame. You can use it to move between 2 rooms, change seasons, or even transform day into night. If you define the beginning and the destination, you're the director, not the spectator. AI doesn't make the decisions, you do. AI executes. Start and end frame means the end of random videos. All the prompts are available in the description. If this tutorial helped you, why not hit like? In the next tutorial, you're going to see things you definitely don't expect. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. AI is the future. Embrace it today.